What did you do for Christmas? I didn't do anything very special on Christmas Day, but on Christmas Eve I went cross-country skiing, visited hot springs, and had dinner with friends. It was a fun and relaxing day. I woke up at 7 a.m. and ate breakfast. After that, I got ready and made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch. We left at 9 a.m. and drove for about 1 hour to the ski area. The drive was nice because the trees were covered in snow. At first, the snow was icy, and skiing was a little hard. But later, we found soft, powdery snow on some trails. Skiing there was much more fun. The forest was so quiet, and I felt happy and free as I skied. After skiing, we went to the hot springs in the forest. The hot springs are natural, and they are surrounded by trees. We parked the car and walked for about 15 minutes to get there. I've been there before, but this time we tried a new spot. It was next to a river, and the water was very clean. Sitting in the warm water felt so good, especially after skiing. The sound of the river and the warm steam made me feel calm and happy. When we came home, we had dinner with friends. We ate good food and talked a lot. It was a cozy and fun evening. It was a long day, but I felt very relaxed and thankful. My Christmas wasn't traditional, but it was a day I will always remember. How was your Christmas? Did you do anything special? Let me know in the comments below, and I hope to see you in my next diary. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.